Hello, this is David Kant with Dynamic Search. Today I'll be talking about confidential searches. What are they? Why are they done? And how? A confidential search is typically an executive level search that needs to be done without both the company's internal employees, except the few who are in the know, and the general public, namely competitors and industry partners, knowing the search is being conducted. Why? Well, there's many reasons. Most commonly, the company, say, isn't happy with their CFO's performance and want to replace him, but need to find a suitable candidate prior to breaking the news. Posting ads on job boards and having employees work their referral networks is a sure way for word to get back immediately. Alternatively, a key executive, such as the company's chief revenue officer, just resigned, thereby negatively impacting the business until a new sales leader is identified to steer the ship. During this vulnerable period, the last thing a company wants is for their competitors to get wind of this. Also, in both of the above instances, keeping middle and lower rank employees out of the know avoids unnecessary feelings of stress and uncertainty of what will happen now that the key leader has left. This strategy has proven effective in preventing unnecessary turnover. I can share firsthand, having asked many candidates why they're open to leaving their current role. Many say it's because of recent turnover in leadership, leading to a lack of confidence in their job security and the company's future. Too many what-if questions come about in their mind on if they'll like the new leader and his or her direction for the company, and ultimately what that will mean for their job and career path. So if you're an employer needing to hire a key role and fall in one of the above categories, a good retained search partner is what you need. At DSC, we do not post ads or otherwise blast your opportunity for everyone to see, but rather take a targeted approach, identifying based on your requirements who in the market is most qualified to speak with, and getting a non-disclosure agreement in place prior to any discussion that would reveal the name of our client. This is the highest probability of approach of recruiting a top talent while maintaining the most discretion. I hope you found this useful. If you have other topics you could suggest, please let me know. Until next time.